Hi guys, in this video I will go to show you how you can use WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. I have uploaded this video of another type also, but in that I told you to download, but it was not working properly. I noticed, and WhatsApp using web is more good. So I am going to tell you how you can use WhatsApp web on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. So first you will open your browser and here you will search WhatsApp web and here you can see this type of results. So you have to click on WhatsApp web. Now you will see this type of screen. So now we have to go to our phone. So it has given the instruction, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings and select link devices. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So like this we have to do. So I will show you how to use. You can use it on by your phone. Means how you can scan it by phone. So let's move to our phone screen. So guys, as you can see, I am on my phone screen. So now we have to open our WhatsApp. So I have opened my WhatsApp. Now we have to click on three dots and now click on linked devices. So after clicking link devices, you will see this type of interface. So now we will click on link a device. So I am just clicking on it. So you can see my camera is on. So I have to just scan this one. So we will show this code to this and you can see my windows are now active. Here is also showing. So now I will switch to my laptop screen, means my Windows screen. So guys, now I have switched to my Windows screen. So you can see that my WhatsApp is running on my Windows like this. So that is it for today's video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.